Have you ever noticed how special the month of April is? Today, we'll learn about April, a month full of change and new beginnings. April is the fourth month of the year in the Gregorian calendar. It often marks the middle of spring in many countries. Sometimes learners confuse April with April Fool's Day only. April is a whole month, not just a single day for jokes and pranks. We say in April to talk about time, for example, in April it often rains. Also, April showers means rain during this month. I was born in April. April is usually warmer than March. The flowers bloom beautifully in April. In April, many people enjoy outdoor activities. My friend waited all winter for April. When April came, they felt happy because spring flowers appeared and the days got longer. Remember April by thinking of the word rain and spring. April brings rain that helps flowers grow, making it a time of refresh and new life. Now you know April is the fourth month and a time of growth. Try using April in your sentences today.